Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the upper function in Google Sheets to control the text output. So imagine you have here a situation, or you have a list here, you have all these names, and this especially with airline tickets is really a common one, that you have, for example, the first name and last name as well. And what you want to do is you want to control how people type it in, or you want to control how it's being shown. So if someone types in John quickly, that makes it very messy like this. John Doe. Do or Doe or whatever. Yes? So what we want to do is we want to convert this, and especially in the airline industry or when you're putting in tickets, having it all fully capitalized is even a better way because it's easy to read and it avoids any kind of mistakes. So what can you do is very simple. You just put in upper, and what upper does, it will convert every piece of text or every string of text into uppercase. So let's select this and enter. You can see now the insert of this name John Doe is becoming all fully capitalized, and I'm going to drag this here as well so you can see upper Doe, and here we have upper John fully capitalized. And this is really useful with inserting data, controlling how names are being looked, or maybe avoiding all this kind of mess here, like these kind of things. Because sometimes, and especially with a lot of database things, the values of capitalized letters and not capitalized letters are considered different. So John like this N is different than John like this, and controlling the inserted data is very important. And this is how you use the upper function in Google Sheets.